Do you have a problem with your original factory car stereo? Have you asked your mechanic or auto electrician if they could help you? No luck there. How about a new car stereo? You may find that new car stereos just don't fit, or there are lots of extra things you need to buy for it to work the same way as your original one. Tried the auto wreckers? That's a risky move. Do you like to gamble with second-hand equipment? That used car stereo might be slightly different. It could damage your vehicle's electronics, or be security locked to the old car. Even worse, that second-hand one you just bought could have the same common problem you started out with in the first place. You might be paying good money for the same problem. Have you approached the car dealership for help fixing your problem? Many dealerships can only sell you a new car stereo worth thousands of dollars. They don't repair, and sometimes the cost to replace them is more than the value of your car. Then you jumped online and found Supertech. Well done! Supertech is a specialized car stereo repair service with highly trained and qualified repair technicians. We can take the weight off your shoulders and make your original factory car stereo as good as new again. Satisfaction guaranteed. All repaired units come with a warranty.